What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you how I go about editing my image after a shoot. On this picture right here I took yesterday using my trusty now Sony A7III paired with the Canon 50mm 1.4 using the adapter, the MC11 adapter. Alright guys, so let me stop rambling and get straight into the edits. Looking at the skin over right here, it's a little bit overexposed for me. I'm going to see how much I can bring that back. Just tone that down just a tad. That looks a lot better. Let's see, looks good. And probably increase my shadows just a tad. Alright, I'm going to go down, increase my sharpness to about 60 and my radius to 1.3. Alright, and let me get my mic. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and you guys take care. If you guys haven't done so already, please like, subscribe to my video. I'll try to do more of this as much as possible. If you guys want me to go in more detail in terms of the edit, go slower, do an entire edit, don't rush it, leave comments, and I'll try to do my best and show you guys what I do. Alright guys, peace out.